So for the materials that you'll need a light colored pencil and ideally a fabric or acrylic pen for precision, but I don't have that, so the next best option would be acrylic paint plus a fine brush with thin bristles, and finally you need your Kanken bag, or you could paint on any other bag. This is your life, it's your choice. So I'm a huge sucker for planning, so this is what I did on my iPad. I basically just took a picture of my Kanken and drew this design on it on Procreate, and I think it's really useful. So let's try to replicate this on the actual bag. So the next step is to actually draw the design on the bag. So you may be thinking, this is quite an overkill, why do I have to plan and then draw? Well, the answer is, it's your life, it's your choice. You don't have to. I just do this because I'm really scared of making mistakes, almost to the point where it's an irrational fear, but you know, this isn't a video to talk about my crippling fears and anxieties. This is a video on my Kanken bag. Speaking of Kanken bag, this is actually a fake, but I say that it's really sturdy, and to the untrained eye, I think it's quite indistinguishable from an authentic one. The next step is to actually paint over the drawings that you just did, and this part should be relatively simple. The only thing I would suggest is to make sure that your brush or your pen is really very fine so that the details really stand out. I'd say that my brush wasn't as fine as it could have been. I think this painting would have been a lot nicer if I had more precise strokes, but I did get the job done. I also recommend to not mix the acrylic paint with water, just so that the color is a lot more concentrated. And with that, the Kanken bag is done. Now my bag is very spacious. Haha, did you get it? There's so much space in my bag. It is out of this world. Okay, that's enough. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you also customized your Kanken bag or did something to it, connect with me on social media. It's really fun to connect with you guys, and I'm really excited to see what everyone comes up with. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye!